All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our next section, travel. How much will a flight cost? So on your paper or online, you're moving down to this next section called travel. There are two questions here. The first question says, how will you travel to your destination? Will you be using a car, a plane, a train, or an other? Most of us are going to be using a plane. I definitely need to use a plane because I'm going to be flying across the ocean to Hawaii. If you would like to drive, that's totally fine, but you're going to need a little bit of extra help. So let me know if you're choosing to drive. Most of us are choosing a plane, so you're going to write that or type that on your first line. The second question is super important, and this is why we're making a video because it's a little bit harder. It says, how much does it cost for each person to travel to your destination? That means we need to find out the flight cost. So go ahead and take a look at your screen. I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to be flying to Hawaii. That's my destination. So at the very top of my screen, I'm going to open up a new tab. And at the top, I'm going to type in flights to Hawaii. Make sure you spell it correctly. Once you do, you're going to go right underneath where it says flights from Denver to Hawaii. Of course, yours might say something different. I'm noticing most of mine are about $511. You'll notice that sometimes they are different prices. For example, this one's more expensive, $671. That's usually because it takes more time. You'll notice this says it takes 11 hours and 50 minutes. It's a little bit longer to get all the way here, so it's a little bit more expensive. You'll also notice that this place, Hilo, is an island over here. This must be a more expensive island to travel to. So go ahead and choose where you'd like to fly to and look at the dollar amount that is there. Mine says $511. So on my paper or on my computer, Miss Lopez's class, you're going to write down the amount that it costs. For example, mine costs $511. That's a little bit expensive because remember, I only have $2,000 to do all of my travel, and $500 is already spent on the airplane. That means I only have about $1,500 left over. Next is my hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know if you need help finding your flights. Next video is going to be all about your hotel. Good luck, my friends. Let me know if you need some help.